Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. So on today's episode, we're going to be working on Colorado. Actually, I've been needing to do this project for quite a while. Basically, the antenna snapped off here probably over a year or so ago. I'm not sure if I just had it on too tight or whatnot, but I don't know if you can kind of see, built up some rust in there. So then the antenna snapped off and I was trying to take it off and put the truck cover on it. So I finally got a new base for it, and then I picked up another antenna out of a junkyard. So let's go ahead and start getting this out. Basically what you'll have to do, sorry, let me back up. Pop the section up. There's two 10 millimeter bolts. This inner fender well is going to have to be moved out of the way. And then inside, because the cable goes through the inner fender inside there, and comes up through here and plugs into the radio. So have to unplug it from inside, go through here, pull the cable out, unbolt, pull it all out, and then drop that through, insert it back in through the hole that's there inside the inner fender, and plug it into the radio. So let's get started. Alright, so let's pop this panel out and use a flathead screwdriver or some other flat tool. So get that, pop it out. Alright, and you can see the antenna cable right there. So it's alright, pop that out, push that back down. Alright, so now let's take the inner fender out, get it pulled through that, and then we will unbolt the old antenna base, bolt in the new, well, feed the wire in, and mount it in, and then get it going. Alright, so as you can see, more for simplicity's sake, I went ahead and pulled the wheel off so I could get the inner fender liner out, which this piece kind of sandwiches it in, which was making it a bit of a pain in the butt. So now we got that point where we can pull that away. You can see where here's the wire. So now all I just need to do is just pull that out, unbolt, put it in the new one, feed it through, and then hook it up. So let's go ahead and do that. There, pull it out. Now for this piece, let's pop that up a bit so I can get access to those bolts. Alright, screws are out. Let's go ahead and pull this out. There we go. I'll set it aside. And let's feed the new one through. Okay. Okay. Cool. Alright, so let me go ahead and get this top part bolted in, and then we'll feed it through. Put the fender, get the antenna hooked up, do a quick test, and then button everything back up. Alright, so that's attached. Go ahead and screw that on. Oh! Someone did say online that these things had a different base. Huh. That does not fit. Well, that's fun. So I will have to get a different antenna. I just gotta find something that's gonna fit that though. Huh. Okay, well, let's go ahead and finish everything else up then. Alright. So, feeding through this hole. And hitting on something. Oh wait, there we go. It's binding up, so let's go ahead and see where we're hitting at. Okay, so we got that fed through now. Sorry, I turned the camera off just so I can get a better view of it. Okay. I'll get that back in its place. Well, you can kind of see where I'm going with this. I'm going to put the camera down for a second. Alright, so got that back in. Pop the panel back on. There we go. And just for, let's just check to see if we do even have a better radio signal. I'm doubting, because like I said, I don't have the antenna on there, since apparently I don't have the right antenna mast now. See. Okay, so that station comes in fine. Yeah, it looks like a lot of my stations are still kind of, well, some of them I'm getting a little better, but like I said, I'll have to get another mast for that. I was not expecting that, really. So I put in the part number that I had. Of course, it did come up with a different part number, and it's the same piece, but obviously they changed the antennas up. So now I just need to find the right one, and I'm good. So now, real quick, this procedure is, for the most part, fairly universal. I know I had to replace an antenna base on my mom's 05 Mustang. Same procedure. Pull out the inner fender, unbolt from up here, pull it through, put the new one in, you get to reattach from inside. It's the same basic gist for at least those vehicles, and I'm fairly certain almost most of the vehicles that are out nowadays, where you have these plastic inner fenders and so forth. I'm guessing there, but I'm fairly confident that most vehicles are like that these days. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything buttoned back up. You guys don't need to see that. So like I said, hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Hope it helped you out. If it did, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if it's your first time stopping by the channel, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Bye. So I actually went ahead and just ran over to O'Reilly's and picked up a universal antenna. So let's go ahead and see if we can get this one to fit. Alright, so I went ahead and ended up using one adapter and then the antenna itself. So let's see if that's actually any better. I think it does seem a little chintzy. Let's see. Okay. I'll definitely picking up a lot of channels now.
People come along. I'm Giddy. You're Network. But he is the area's lawn care leader. Buckeye Eco Care has the best training.
All right, so it looks like it works for now. So I decided I want to go ahead and get it now because I have some weather coming in tomorrow. And I didn't want the bolt down there getting all covered with everything, and then I put this on and then I go to take it off and snap again. So just wanted to just go ahead and just get it done and out of the way. So alright, so that will actually officially end this video. So as before, if this was helpful at all, just give it a thumbs up. If you you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And if it's your first time stopping by the channel, please subscribe. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.